Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can fix the Telegram SMS fee on Android. Okay, the first thing you want to go ahead and do is you want to search for Telegram on your device. So once you have found it, you want to long press on Telegram and you want to uninstall the Telegram app. Okay, and then you want to head to the Play Store. You want to tap onto search and you want to go back to the home page of the App Store. You want to tap on your profile icon at the top right hand corner, tap on Play Protect, and you want to tap on the settings gear cog at the top, and there where it says scan apps with Play Protect, you want to toggle that down and you want to turn that off. And I'll just continue with my biometric, and that's the second step. Now what you want to do is you want to go onto Google and you want to type Telegram APK. Now this will allow us to download Telegram older version so that we can bypass the SMS fee, which is perfectly okay to do. So go to the second result, which is up to down, and then you want to scroll down on this. You don't want to click on get the latest version. You want to scroll down until you find the older versions. Okay, so this one right here we can get this one here, February 16th, 2026, 12.4.3, and you want to click onto that, and right there, if you scroll down, you'll see the download button. You want to tap onto that download button and then install that onto your Android device. It will load up just like an app that you see on your normal phone. Then when you open up the Telegram app, you want to put in your phone number and your country and click on test backend, and in that case the Telegram app will give you a call and give you the code, and then you won't get that SMS fee. Okay, so if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.